Good morning. Welcome back to spring cleaning. Today we're gonna be doing the living room. Why can't I do this? I'm gonna flip you around, show you what we're working with. We're gonna get right to it. Okay, not gonna lie, the living room is pretty crazy right now. I'm mostly focusing on the ungated area today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be working on the actual living room play area. But for right now, starting in here, a lot of things that I have to find a home for. That bin needs to go downstairs. I need to move the activity bins into the kitchen. I have to take everything off of these shelves, dust it all, and the table clearly is a problem.
close when you should have shoved me. Love is something I'll never know. Even when your words fell down on deaf ears, you never be so complain, no. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruin. We're like roses in rain. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruin. We're like roses in rain, rain, rain. We're like roses in rain, rain, your love has no condition. Many times I thought you would leave. You gave me all I was missing. Set up what I should have received. Oh, even when your words fell down on deaf ears, you never be so complain. No. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruin. We're like roses in rain. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruin. We're like roses in rain, rain, rain. We're like roses in rain, rain,
This is going to be a little anticlimactic, but that's what happens when you clean the primary living areas of the house, especially with a toddler. I did vacuum and shampoo the carpets last night here, and they do look and smell a lot better. This is the new toy setup. So I cleaned the mat and put everything back together once the carpets were dry. We're keeping the kitchen here, and then I did weed out some toys. This is everything that's back, and that basket with his big stuffies and his dragon chair are going to go in his room because we're going to be reconfiguring that shortly, but this windowsill will be empty again. Table's a disaster, but we've got it back in the middle of the room. It's a little more functional. We just finished lunch, so sorry about that. Then I've got all of that set up. Can't stop the rock. Hey, Winston. So thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm going to get working on outside. And don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying these, if this is your bag. I also do other mom stuff. You can check that out. Playlists will be down below, and we'll see you in the next one.